Okay, so I've used my home foam applicator, and you can put more or less on the car, of course. You can regulate it, and all I've had is $15 weed poison container. Sterilised it with hot water, and then I put about that's 2.5 litre container, and I've probably put half a litre of car wash with the wax. I've got wax in it. Filled the rest up with water, hooked the hose in to the end, and you've got a Venturi here. Lift that up and just sprays out, of course. Mixes with the water from the hose. $15. I've seen them cheaper, and simple as that. Does the job quite well. Enjoy. Happy cleaning.